everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, and in today's video I will show you how you can easily turn off private browsing mode on your iPhone device. So if you want to exit private browsing mode completely on your iPhone, watch this video till the end, and now let's get started. Alright, so as you can currently see, the private browsing mode is on for my Safari browser on my iPhone. Now to turn it off or to exit this mode completely, what you need to do is you have to tap the option that is given at the bottom right corner, and here you will get to see the private option at the bottom center of the screen. So you have to tap that, and here you just have to select start page, and this will turn off the private browsing mode. So just press done, and as you can see, that notification, that message has got disappeared. It means that you have completely exit the private browsing mode on your iPhone. So that's how you can turn off the private browsing on your Safari browser. So yeah, that was all for this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. If you have any suggestions or any queries, do let me know in the comment section down below. And you can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, for more tech related content. Thank you for watching.